Hello YouTube, I am Tiberio and here are the 5 hidden features of the ET-7750, or how Epson likes to call it, Epson Expression Premium ET-7750 EcoTank Wide Format All-in-One Super Tank Printer. I will try to be as objective as I can. These are not the top features of the printer, they are the hidden features, the features that most of the users, even if you have it, even if you are just curious, maybe you don't know that they are over there in the menu, or you can take advantage of them. So here we go. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Obviously it's called Paper Guide Cleaning Rear. What this option does is dedicated for a cleaning sheet. You can buy these cleaning sheets online. On Epson US is discontinued, but you can find it on Amazon for $17. It's free shipping. It comes from Japan. You should know that it's not Amazon Prime eligible. It takes a while, but you can buy with $17 3 pieces. This one will clean inside the it will be a cycle. The paper will go back and forth inside over there, and it will clean the dust and other stuff that they are on the rollers. Good stuff, you should know this, and definitely Epson recommends to do this every 6 months. The second hidden feature I found very interesting is the quiet mode. The quiet mode gives you the ability to print quietly, but it's also a compromise because it will print slower. The third hidden feature is called External Device Setup. This one is located in the settings menu, and it has a sub menu. It's called Photo Adjustments. What this one does, it gives you the ability to use the printer in a remote location without having a computer or a phone or something attached. You can print directly from an SD card or a memory card. No surprise, but the photo adjustment, let's say that you took a photo with your camera outside in the woods. I don't know why you will have the printer in the woods, but I'm just giving you an example. And then you are taking the photo, the SD card, and insert it in the printer. And then you want to print it. You have here the display, and maybe the photo is overexposed or underexposed, or you want to saturate it a little bit more before printing. It's kind of an editing software integrated. It's not a big deal. Don't think that it's doing something at the photo. It's only doing at the print. But the thing is that the result, the printing result, it will be better, and you can do some sorts of chromatic settings manually directly from the printer menu. The fourth hidden feature is the print on CDs or DVDs. I find this feature very unuseful. I'm not printing, I don't have any CDs or DVDs anymore, but I know for sure there are a lot of you over there who are still storing the files on the CDs and DVDs, you know, and it will be way cooler to do a design on your DVDs with the printer. This printer can help you design your CDs. The fifth hidden feature is the copy/restore photos. This one is located in More Functions menu, and what it does, makes from a faded photo to look more contrasty. So let's say you have a physical photo and it looks faded. You can put it on the scanner, and then through this option it will print a photo based on the scanner, but more contrasty if the photo is faded. And the bonus hidden feature is on Help menu, and it's called How To. There you can find different descriptions of the menu, and you can have also some graphic details over there that you can help you in your workflow. I hope you found this video helpful, and if this is the case, please consider subscribe to my channel and also joining us on Facebook Epson EcoTank Printers group. We are building a community over there, sharing information, knowledge about these printers, and you can learn more on using them efficiently. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will make sure that I'm going to respond to each of you. Have a good one.